Put the prize on them. 10 bad, okay, got 5 of them. 10 bad, then they after me. Looking for a dump like a...
Hey, Phenomenal Beauties. What's your say today? Today, I'm slaying a meal for my family. It's going to be just some spaghetti and some corn on the cob and some chicken on the side, because my son probably not going to eat the spaghetti. He's a very picky eater. So you guys just stay along with me and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Alright guys, so I have my meat done. Yes, don't want the dishes. And I also have my corn boiling. And over here, my chicken is frying. And for my spaghetti sauce, I love ragu spaghetti sauce. Yes. So I have this one. If you can see it. I love the tomato, garlic, and onion, if you can't read it. That's my favorite. So my husband was supposed to get the noodles. He didn't get spaghetti noodles. But guess what? I'm going to make it work. You know what I'm saying? Noodles is noodles. I'm going to make it work. And my son's food is done. I just made him some waffle fries and a couple popcorn chicken. They really big, though. Let me show you. Yeah, they're very big. So, I'm going to let my corn boil and let my meat set. And, oh, by the way, I do put taco seasoning in my meat. I don't know if you guys, do you guys put taco seasoning in your meat? Because I'm not sure. I feel like I just started doing it when me and my husband first started dating. So, let me know if you guys do that. And I use milk because it tastes way better than using water. I think the instructions on there say use water, but I always use milk, any type of milk. And I will get back to you guys when the food is almost done. Hey guys, I wanted to come back because I have a little trick. Let me know if you guys do this. I just get a teaspoon of oil. Yeah, I'm wasting it. And you stick it in the pot. The reason you do that, when you boiling noodles, you stick salt and a tablespoon, I'm sorry, I said teaspoon earlier, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, whatever oil you use, coconut oil, in your pot of boiling water. When you put the noodles in, it'll stop your noodles from sticking. I know sometimes people cook, when you cook your noodles will stick together. The oil helps separate them when they are boiling. Food for thought. Okay, guys, so that's the meal of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more content. Okay, bye.